Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing this whole package concept, sort of a holistic approach to looking at relocating, living, working, doing business, owning one's home, all of it, the whole package of living, expatriating, I call it immigrating to Thailand, the whole package. And in this video, we're discussing leasing versus buying real estate. Now, this is going to be very circumstantially driven, but the whole package, I think some people presume it means, oh, you own your home. It might not. And there may be a set of circumstances, especially in the shop house model, which is a certain kind of living above where you work, and you may have a shop house where that's sort of your storefront. I know a fair number of clients that operate this way with respect to running a restaurant business or a bed and breakfast or sort of a guest house model. They do this on the shop house model. And it may be possible that the only thing feasible, depending on the location, is renting, or depending on the specifications of the property, renting may be the only thing feasible. Now, that said, your company that supports your Thai work permit and visa may be domiciled there too. So even though you're paying rent, you may be killing two birds with one stone, so to speak, as you're dealing with the corporate domicile issue, which can be a major hang-up, especially cost-wise, for certain folks trying to do business here in Thailand, as it is a formal requirement for most SMEs trying to do business and support a work permit or a visa. But long story short, generally speaking, it's going to be, again, circumstantially driven. There are options to purchase various real estate that may comport with being able to run a business on it. There are also circumstances where that may not be possible. So again, where you're kind of on the fence on this issue, may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional and get a bird's eye view of all the benefits that come from either renting versus buying a given piece of real estate. And you may be in a situation where you're comparing two types of real estate, a condo versus a shop house, for example, or a residential home versus a condo or a shop house, or all three sort of compared to each other. Frankly, it's a bit of a buyer's market here in Thailand. I think that may be an understatement in sort of this aftermath of the COVID response. And for that reason, I think it's a very good time to be looking at all your options with respect to real estate and the ability to do business using that real estate here in the Kingdom of Thailand.